Okay, guys, going to go to Ask Scruff. This is for Glory. Salute for UK. And it's quite a simple question, but it's not a simple answer. So the question is regarding +1, -1. It's very efficient, but sometimes it's not working. Is there any caveat you should take into account when using it? Yeah, a big one. Time of day. Right. What you got to remember is there is no 100% system. If you're just looking for 100% systems, you're going to be looking for a very long time. They don't exist. Now, +1, -1 is set in such a way that it helps you read a market. You look at an anchor point. Now, for me, it is the hourly. So the hourly will tell you whether you're up or down to start with. Now you're looking to justify it. +1, well, if that agrees, that's a stronger position to be in, because that means you've got two high time frames telling you there's a general trend. The 15-minute confirms, and then you enter on the 5. Okay. Now, just because the 15 has confirmed doesn't mean say you go. You're still waiting for the 5. So where does time of day come into this? Well, there's a number of factors. You've got Monday morning. It's dangerous. Why? Because you're not rightly sure whether the market is going to be pushed in a singular direction to go the other way. So that throws the time frames out. So before 10 o'clock on a Monday morning, it is lethal. Go to the other side of the week, Friday. I just don't trade Friday at all if I can help it. Because, again, you don't know whether money's being pulled out, whether it's being set up. If it's the 3 witches, then you're royally screwed. That's normally the end of month when everything's getting taken out. You've got to watch for futures contracts ending. All these different things happen on a Friday. Now, that makes Friday a horrendous day to trade, and it's gambler's paradise. So if you take the Monday morning before 10, and I'm talking London, UK time here, guys, and Friday out the equation, that leaves you with the rest of the week. But where else does it come into play? Well, it's also product specific based on its time of day. So your pound and your euro pairs, they're pretty good up to about 5, 6 o'clock at best. You're okay. Then the USJPY would take over from, say, noon through the rest of the day, because the New York's open, and then obviously you've got your Asian pairs through the Asian session. So your time of day tied to what you're looking at is specific. But like most things, if you try and start bolting different bits and pieces onto it, you'll find that it's analysis paralysis and you'll fail. But the caveat, if you're looking to nail it down to one thing, is dead simple. It's your target. If you target effectively and you know what you're looking for hour to hour, it's a lovely system. I always assume that it's about a 10 pip trade. That's about it. So it goes in, get 10 pips or less. If the ATR is less, I'm good. But that's it. It's a simple beginner strategy that can help you, and then you build on that. Now, GoldenEye is +1, -1, but on a big scale, because it's looking at 7 time frames, not just the middle section. And you work everything out. But ultimately, it comes down to chart reading. You can look at a chart and you can go, do you know something? I quite like that. That looks like it's in motion. And then you just apply it. Now, do you get signals all the time? No. You get maybe 2 or 3 a day, if you're lucky. That's all you need. That's all you need. One good trade a day will sort you out, and you'll be fine. But that's kind of the caveats that I'll be looking at. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.